Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to Wendy's Kitchen Wonders. I am your host, Wendy. Today, we're going to venture into the world of tasty yet budget-friendly meals, perfect for those large family gatherings. We all know how important meal planning is, especially when you're watching your pennies or feeding a crowd. So, I'll be sharing 5 fantastic recipes that are sure to please both your wallet and your taste buds. Stay tuned as we dive into our first recipe, the delicious white chicken enchiladas. First up, we have the creamy and flavorful white chicken enchiladas. This delectable dish is a blend of tender shredded chicken, creamy white sauce, and melty cheese, all wrapped up in soft tortillas. Now, let's break it down into easy steps. For this recipe, you'll need shredded chicken, flour tortillas, shredded Monterey Jack cheese, butter, flour, chicken broth, sour cream, and diced green chilies. To begin, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then, mix your shredded chicken and 1 cup of cheese. Roll this mixture into your tortillas and place them in a pan. Next, for the sauce, melt butter, stir in flour, slowly add chicken broth, and whisk until it thickens. Stir in sour cream and green chilies, then pour this sauce over your enchiladas, sprinkle with remaining cheese, and bake for about 20 minutes until bubbly and slightly golden. There you have it, a delicious meal that's easy on your wallet and a crowd pleaser. Next on our list is the spicy and hearty buffalo chicken chili. Now, this dish is a real crowd pleaser. Start with a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Add in a can of white beans, a can of corn, and a can of diced tomatoes, all drained, of course. Don't forget the star of the show, buffalo sauce. You'll need about half a cup, but feel free to add more if you like it extra spicy. To cook, combine all your ingredients in a large pot and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. The beauty of this dish is its simplicity and cost-effectiveness. The ingredients are affordable, and you can easily double or triple the recipe to feed a larger crowd. When the chili is ready, serve it up with some crusty bread or a side of cornbread. A bowl of this will surely warm your family's hearts and tummies. Now, let's move on to our last 3 dishes. The Parmesan Meatball Casserole, Mexican Tater Tot Casserole, and the Fajita Bowl. First up, the Parmesan Meatball Casserole. This dish is a delightful blend of ground beef, breadcrumbs, and Parmesan cheese, all baked to perfection. Start by seasoning your meat with garlic, onion, and parsley. Roll them into meatballs and arrange them in a casserole dish. Pour over a rich marinara sauce, sprinkle with Parmesan, and pop it into the oven. The aroma alone will have your family flocking to the dinner table. Next, we have the Mexican Tater Tot Casserole. Imagine a layer of crispy tater tots, smothered in a spicy beef mixture and topped with melted cheese. For this one, brown your beef with some taco seasoning. Layer your tater tots at the bottom of your casserole dish, then pour over your beef mix. Cover with cheese, bake until golden and bubbling, and voila, you've got a dish that's a real crowd pleaser. Finally, let's talk about the Fajita Bowl. This is a versatile dish that lets you play around with ingredients. Start with a base of rice, then layer on grilled chicken, sautéed peppers and onions, black beans, corn, and a sprinkle of cheese. For an extra kick, add some salsa and a dollop of sour cream. It's a hearty bowl full of flavors, perfect for those busy weeknights when you need to whip up something quick and satisfying. What's great about these dishes is that they're not only easy to make, they're also budget-friendly. The ingredients are cost-effective, and each dish can serve a good number of people. They're perfect for those days when you're feeding a crowd or when you just want to have leftovers for the next day. So, there you go, 3 more delicious dishes to add to your repertoire. The Parmesan Meatball Casserole, the Mexican Tater Tot Casserole, and the Fajita Bowl. Each one is packed with flavor, easy on the wallet, and sure to satisfy even the hungriest of diners. These dishes are not only affordable, but they're also guaranteed to satisfy your family's appetites. And there you have it, 5 budget-friendly meals to feed a large family. From the creamy delights of white chicken enchiladas and the spicy kick of buffalo chicken chili, to the heartiness of Parmesan meatball casserole, Mexican tater tot casserole, and the vibrant flavors of a fajita bowl. These recipes are not just easy to make, they are also kind to your pocket. So, try them out, share your experiences, and let's make meal planning fun. Thank you for joining me in Wendy's Kitchen Wonders today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our kitchen adventures. Until next time, happy cooking.